How to link your WhatsApp to multiple devices. Let's get into the video. First, open the WhatsApp on your phone. Tap the three dots in the top right corner. Then tap Link Device. Join the beta to use WhatsApp on multiple devices without keeping your phone online. If not available, you can still link device, but your phone needs to be connected. Tap Link a device. Here, WhatsApp will ask to open your camera. Use your phone's camera to scan the QR. And there you go, your WhatsApp account is now linked to the new device and ready to use. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.